Hey everybody, it's Lon Seib, and it's time for another unboxing, and a lot of people were asking if I was getting in one of these to look at. This, of course, is the new Chromecast with Google TV built in. It's basically an Android TV dongle, but an official one from Google. I don't think they've made an official Android TV-based device in quite some time, and we're going to have a full review of this soon on my main channel at lon.tv, but I thought I would unbox it first for you all to see before I dive into it, so stay tuned for the review coming up. I paid for this, by the way, with my own funds, so all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this unboxing, nor are they reviewing it or approving it before it gets uploaded. So this is the device itself. It looks a lot like a Chromecast, but slightly larger. It's designed to kind of hang or dangle off the side of your TV. Like before, it's got a very flexible cable here, so you should be able to get it to work no matter what your configuration is. There's a USB Type-C port here on the back. We'll test and see how that works when we go and do the review of it. Looks and feels pretty nice. Probably one of the smaller full-featured dongles I've seen. What really separates this one from a regular Chromecast is that it has its own interface. So you can cast things from your phone like you can with the lower-cost Chromecasts, but you can also work on it directly with the remote control here. So it's more of a traditional TV tuner than prior ones have been. And this is the remote, it looks like. Pull it out of the box here. So there's the remote. And of course, Netflix has paid for their button. So that looks pretty nice. And you can do voice stuff with it as well. I think it'll work with your Google Assistant stuff. So we will test all of that in the full review. Got a little Let's Get Started guide here. And this, of course, is your USB-C power adapter and cable, a nice thick cable. Most of the time, you can power these things off of your television. But I want to check here and see what the amperage is on the power adapter. My eyes are getting worse as I get older, so it's hard to see exactly what this thing is outputting. So let me get a look at it there. It looks like this one is 1.5 amps at 5 volts. So it's a little bit more than your standard phone charger. So if your TV can do 2 amps out the back, you're fine. Otherwise, just use the power adapter to be safe. And then you've got 2 AAA batteries here. Looks like Google branded batteries for the remote control. So I'm going to get this thing set up, and I've got a lot of stuff to test on it, so as soon as we're done with that, we'll have a full review where I will tell you everything that I think about this new Google device. Until then, this is Lon Seib. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold-level supporters Tom Albrecht, Chris Allegretta, Mike Patterson, and Bill Pomerantz. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.